Well, I'm in the old control tower at RAF Little Snoring, where Dad used to work, and not too sure where the original runway was. It was somewhere at the front here. I'd say probably where that ploughed field is now is where the original runway was, because this looks like the main sort of control room in the tower, and so the approach to the runway would have been from over those trees in the back there, down here and out that way. They've got a grass strip there behind us now for light aircraft, but I don't think they would have used that during the war. It would have been a sealed strip. So this is where he was 70 odd years ago, or longer. You see this now looks out onto the newer hangars where the light aircraft and flying club operations are. Probably shouldn't actually be in here. It's all considered private property, but I'm here anyway. Go back down the steps.